Hey everybody, James at ICS Collision Center here, and today we've got a very unique limited production number Corvette here. And what we have is a 2009 Pratt Miller C6RS Corvette. This is one of 7 produced for the general public. There are a couple of extras and I'll tell you about those later. However, what's really cool about these cars is that they're all unique. They're each different colors and have different options on them. This one here happens to be number 6 of 7 produced, and you can see some of the cool features. This has a $187,000 carbon fiber package, interior, all this stuff's been upgraded from the original donor car. So some of the things you'll see are the chevron stripes here, fully functional louvers, and then you can see by the name badge, it's an 8.2 liter engine in here, which makes this thing, it produces about 600 horsepower, just super fast for back in the day. As you can see under the hood here, it does have the nameplate showing that this was basically produced by George Bunting, Pratt Miller, number 6 of these 7 produced. You can look under here and see all the details, the carbon fiber work, the beautiful paint work on the intake, K-Tech performance, options are added as well. And what makes this one unique out of the 7 is it is the only one that has a carbon fiber roof. All of the other Corvettes have the standard fiberglass roof. So again, each one of these is different. This just adds to the uniqueness of this vehicle here. As you can see, the interior package, the bolstered seats, the stainless accents to it. And then here again, it shows the badge and door jamb for number 6 and the date of production back in 2009. Some of the other features show, you'll see it does have the Brembo brakes, the center locking hub. As you can see, there's actually no lug nuts on the outside like you see on your traditional vehicles. And one of the things that's interesting with this body kit is it does make the vehicle about 1.5 inches wider. And you would think with the carbon fiber it'd lighten the car up, which it does, but they've actually added quite a bit of sound deadening to the vehicle. So I believe they say it weighs roughly 1 pound more than the factory C6RS. So what we're doing on this one is we have worked on it before. It's had a known issue with some delaminating off the carbon fiber. And so what we're going to be repairing on this one here, it's going to be isolated to the hood. We just have some stress cracking here, both sides. Under the PPF, this does have paint protection film on it, so we're just going to repair this and respray it and then clear the hood and then get her back together. So just a quick recap, what we're doing on this is we're going to be taking the PPF film off the hood and just taking care of these 2 stress cracks on opposite sides of this vent, getting it back to factory appearance condition. Again, 1 of 7 Pratt Miller Corvette C6RS is just a really rare, unique car. So stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more.